Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is just moving sideways. We are still in this sideways range squeezed between support. That's our support zone between $140 and $119 and a possible upside breakout point here at around $152. So we're squeezed between support and resistance and we haven't really seen any major breaks to the upside. Okay, no key levels have been broken to the upside that would, let's say, indicate that the market is really motivated to go up. Nothing has been broken. So from that point of view, our perspective is that there is no clear signal that a low has been struck. Okay, there is no strong signal that wave 2 has bottomed. I mean, I've labeled it like that, but it's all about a continuous assessment of probabilities while the market is making its movements. Probabilities are always dynamic, and we're here on a pretty small, let's say, time frame, wave degree. So we just need to, I think, understand that there could be easily another low. All right, so the yellow wave count indicates we could have bottomed. The yellow wave count suggests there could be a diagonal pattern to the upside that's unfolding, but it would really need to be some kind of a diagonal. And that means we can't really trust it. That's the problem with it, okay? So we can't trust diagonal patterns. It could be anything from the low, really, because there are so many overlapping and ugly price structures. Could be literally anything, but until we get above that yellow line at around $152.40, $152.50, there isn't any break of a critical level. That's the thing. Above that, we've got here the wave 1 high at around $163.60. That is an even more important level, I would say, that needs to be broken to the upside in order to confirm that a third wave rally is unfolding. Now, a third wave should, if wave 2 really bottomed, let me just double check that. Let me just adjust that slightly. If wave 2 really bottomed, then the third wave should really take us to $236 or higher. But there is absolutely no confirmation wave 2 has bottomed. That's the thing, so we have to be cautious. If you're itching for a trade, you can always set a stop below the invalidation point. That's the Friday low. That's always possible, okay? But for now, because we are not in any way moving up impulsively or we haven't broken any key level, I would say we at least have to consider that the market might test the lower ranges of this support area. That means we talk about $134, $127.86, or $119.61. The thing is, because this here could be a WXY structure, the move down from the 14th of August high to the 16th of August low here, this Friday low, could have been wave A of Y. Then this here could be wave B of Y, which might get another leg up, but the yellow count would be pretty much, or the yellow line would pretty much be the invalidation point for that white wave count as it is. So we are deep in resistance pretty much. So if we draw a Fibonacci retracement area, so you see we are quite deep in resistance. The market touched the 78.6 retracement. Could very well be that we're starting wave C to the downside now. But as I said, this is just up and down, up and down. You have to, we're dealing with microstructures, so you have to really, as the market is making its moves, assess the probabilities. I can really only give you a snapshot while I make, the videos here, obviously, that can change from one moment to another. What really matters and what really provides stability is here this larger support zone, which is defined between $119.61 and $140.43. $140.43. So the $119 level really is key here. That is really what provides stability. And until we break below that level, or until we break above the yellow line, there isn't really any meaningful price action here. Yeah, nothing really meaningful is happening. This is just noise. I often say it's noise. Until we get out of this range, this is just noise. Yep, on a positive note, as I said, we had a break above the trend line, but the move afterwards wasn't really, let's say, covered by high volume. So that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.